When you need perfectly clean splices and connectors, look to Stickler's brand fiber optic cleaning products, a growing family of specialty cleaners engineered to clean virtually any fiber optic connector in any configuration in any location. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Stickler's Clean Sticks connector cleaning sticks and how these unique products will give you perfectly clean fiber optics every time. The Stickler's Clean Sticks consist of 5 different sticks to clean virtually all fiber optic ferrule end faces located in the hard-to-clean alignment sleeve. Ready to clean male and female termini, the sticks are suitable for use on military connectors, telecom, cable, and even high-powered fiber. A simple-looking device, the Clean Sticks are loaded with so much advanced technology, they actually have 2 U.S. patents awarded. The Clean Sticks are engineered for industrial users both at the factory workbench and also for field applications such as installations and routine maintenance and service cleaning. Color-coded for easy stick selection at a glance, even the packaging is designed to make stick selection easy. Part numbers and stick color can be seen at a glance in the box window, and a chart on the side of the box shows color codes that are matched with appropriate mil-spec numbers, which are also matched to the appropriate fiber optic connector type. All are intended to make stick selection fast and easy. Users have a choice of 5 different cleaning stick types. The handles and packaging are uniquely color-coded, and cleaning tips are sized for specific connector types, with clean sticks engineered to clean 2.5 mm, 2 mm, 1.6 mm, and 1.25 mm ferrule sizes. As illustrated here, unique configurations and geometries are engineered into each size stick to provide maximum cleaning performance for specific connectors. Even biconic, duplex, and high-powered APC connectors can be easily cleaned. Each stick is engineered with the following features: an offset cleaning tip. As shown here, this prevents the unused tip from touching surfaces such as tabletops and workboards, which would otherwise transfer contamination onto the cleaning tip. Each also has drop and stop geometry. Multiple tabs are embossed onto the stick handle to prevent the stick from rolling away when set down. This also enhances the handle's grip for holding the stick during use. Using the Stickler's Clean Sticks is fast and easy. First, moisten the stick with Stickler's fiber optic splice and connector cleaner. The cleaner speeds removal of oils and also draws down static charges on the connector's ferrule, end face, and alignment sleeve. This minimizes possible recontamination from airborne particulate. You only need to apply a small amount of fluid. Less is more. Use moderate downward pressure. The stick's fibrous cleaning tip conforms to the geometry of the termini end face. Each cleaning tip has thousands of ultra-strong fibers that flare out on contact with the end face, trapping contamination. The fibers close up when pulled away, carrying contamination with the cleaning tip. Always rotate the stick 6 to 8 times in the same direction. The wetted cleaning tip rotates off-center across the curvature of the fiber face, which enhances the removal of particulate and oils, perfectly cleaning the entire end face. During cleaning, incidental contact of the alignment sleeve and the fibrous sidewall of the cleaning tip traps particulate on the clean sticks, and also dissipates surface static by depositing small amounts of the high purity cleaning fluid. This is why, for best results, use each stick only once and always use the Stickler's fiber optic splice and connector cleaner. If you need to clean exposed ferrules and termini that are recessed in heavy-duty connector bodies commonly used in military and aerospace applications, wipes won't reach, which means the connectors must be disassembled to be cleaned. As you can see, the yellow Stickler's Clean Sticks P25 eliminates the need for disassembly and makes easy work of this otherwise difficult task. All Stickler's fiber optic cleaners are easy to use and transport with a low cost per clean. They are perfect for use in cleaning kits used for service and maintenance procedures and are equally at home in high production environments. When you need perfectly clean fiber optic connectors and splices, think Stickler's. Contact your local Stickler's dealer for more information on the Clean Sticks connector cleaning sticks, or for samples or engineering help with your cleaning needs.